Hey guys, it's Alex with Sena, and today I'm with the beautiful Bella.
Hey, what is up, you guys?
Drop back, I'm gonna go around you.
That was tough, dude. You were censored to the Porsche. That was freaking cool.
We're here to shoot some sick rollers, and we're gonna be using the Sena 60S and the 50S on the earmuff cradle. We're gonna have the roller car, we're gonna have some motorcycles, we're gonna have some Porsches. It's gonna be a fun day. Let's go for it.
Porsche, come up a little bit, if you can.
Yep, I'm coming.
Perfect. Oh, that is freaking funny. Oh my God, that looks crazy. Synchronize, side by side. So I'm gonna have you guys slow down, and on the count of 3, you're gonna all 3 speed up. All right, ready? All 3 subjects, 1, 2, 3, hit it. That was so cool. that was so sick. Can you guys fist bump? Is that possible? That was tough, dude. You were censored to the Porsche.
So Bella, how are you feeling using the Sena comms for the first time?
Dude, I love it. This makes my job 10 times easier. I don't have to let go of the gimbal to do my hand movements anymore. I don't have to like
fist bump move before.
I'd say 2, boom. Yeah.
You guys want the Porsche to squeeze by? We can move over.
Well, we can get in the far right. He can squeeze around.
Let's have the van go far ahead, and I'll just go around him.
Oh, buddy, that was cool. 911, slow down a little bit. There you go. All right. And on the count of 3, come up on the lens as fast as you can. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Hit it. That was perfect.
And that turbo sounds sick, Tim.
Yeah, this is why electric cars don't really interest me at all.
Oh, that's so freaking awesome. We got friends, yo. Hi.
All right, guys, so we finished our first session on filming some rollers with Bella. Give us your hot take with the Sena device.
Dude, this is the best thing that I have used. And I'm not even kidding. Like, it makes communicating so much easier. I don't have to do all the hand gestures. Can easily communicate with the driver, the bikes, the car. Definitely a game changer.
All right, so now she's going to start taking photos, and we're going to do another session and see how it goes.
Yeah.
Ready?
Let's get it.